Hello, my dear students. Today we will discuss about the scope of sociology of education. Before going to start the concept of scope of sociology of education, we all very well versed with the concept and the fact that every science has its own areas of study or fields of inquiry. But as the sociology is so elastic a science, it is difficult to determine just where its boundaries begin and end. Where sociology becomes social psychology and where social psychology becomes sociology. It's very difficult, and even we can say that it is impossible to decide that what actual the scope and where its boundaries are demarcated as the scope of sociology of education. But however, we will try to understand it with the help of some concepts that what is the scope of the sociology of education. Here we will try to understand it with the help of these concepts, and before going to understand the scope of sociology of education, I think it is very important to know about the scope of sociology. What is the scope of sociology? Scope of sociology is the study of social interactions and social relationships. ठीक है, स्कोप ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी क्या है? इट इज द स्टडी ऑफ ये सोशल इंटरेक्शंस और सोशल रिलेशनशिप्स देखता है इन द ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी एंड ऑल द इंडिविजुअल्स whosoever are the part of the society. Here the scope of sociology is well understood with the help of these approaches. Here two major approaches of sociology are there to study the society. The first is formal or specialist sociology, and the second one is synthetic or the general sociology. In this formal or the specialist sociology, इसमें क्या है? It is the opinion of the sociologist Semel and others. They are of the opinion, उनका opinion था कि जो sociology है वो क्या है? It is a pure and an independent science. ठीक है? As a pure science, it has a limited scope. So जो sociology है वो confined करती है itself to the study of certain aspects of human relationships only. ठीक है? जो हमारा फर्स्ट है फॉर्मल और स्पेशलिस्ट सोशियोलॉजी है, इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ प्योर एंड एन इंडिपेंडेंट साइंस, और इसका बहुत ही लिमिटेड स्कोप है. इट स्टडी ओनली द फॉर्म्स ऑफ सोशल रिलेशनशिप. ठीक है, बट नॉट देयर कंटेंट्स. दिस इज द फॉर्मल और द स्पेशलिस्ट सोशियोलॉजी. देन वी हैव द सेकेंड वन इज सिंथेटिक और द जनरल sociology. In this synthetic school of thought has of the opinion that sociology as a synthesis of social sciences. ठीक है, it wants to make sociology a general social science and not a pure social science. ठीक है, ये जो synthetic हमारा और general sociology है, it is not a pure but it is a general social science. Now we will try to understand the scope of sociology of education. These points will help you all to understand the scope of sociology of education. Sociology of education studies the interrelationship of the educational system, ठीक है, विद द वेराइटी ऑफ द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी. जो स्कोप है सोशियोलॉजी ऑफ एजुकेशन का वो क्या स्टडी करता है, उसका फोकस मेन क्या है? इंटर रिलेशनशिप किसका? एजुकेशनल सिस्टम का. किसके साथ? विद द वेराइटी ऑफ द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी. दैट इज द फर्स्ट point that will enable us to understand the scope of the sociology of education. Then it studies the contribution or the role of education on culture. ये study करता है कि what is the contribution or what is the function or role of education on culture. Then we have the third one. It analyzes the functions of education or educational system in the social or the cultural change. जो हमारा सोसाइटी में चेंज आता है जिसको हम सोशल चेंज कहते हैं, या फिर जो हमारे कल्चर में जो भी चेंजेस आती हैं, बिलीव्स में, रिचुअल्स में, व्हाटएवर, उसमें एजुकेशन का क्या रोल है उसको एनालाइज करता है सोशियोलॉजी ऑफ एजुकेशन. सो वो एनालिसिस करता है कि व्हाट इज द रोल और द फंक्शन ऑफ एजुकेशन इन ब्रिंगिंग द सोशल चेंज और द कल्चरल चेंज. Then we have sociology of education also helps to understand the social problems and needs of the society as a member of the society. Sociology of education जो है वो enable करता है all the members of the society to understand and even to resolve and those social problems, and also to understand the various and the variety of the needs of the society as a member of the society. जो सोशियोलॉजी ऑफ एजुकेशन है ये इंडिविजुअल्स को डिफरेंट मेंबर्स ऑफ सोसाइटी को हेल्प करता है सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स को समझने में भी और उनका सोल्यूशन निकालने में भी हेल्प करता है, और डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ नीड्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी को भी एक्नॉलेज करता है. It also enables us to understand the school and its relation with the social institutions. Sociology of education analyze करता है, understand करता है, and it enable also the individuals to understand the concept of the school and its relation. School क्या है, उसका फंक्शनिंग क्या है, और उसका रिलेशन विद द social situations in the community क्या है. These all areas will be covered in the sociology of education. Then we have the effectiveness of the different instructional techniques can be well understood and explained with the help of the sociology of education. Which methods are suitable for the particular community or society, or what are the present needs according to the societal changes in the society. All these will be explained, analyzed and understandable with the help of the sociology of education. So this sociology of education plays a very important role, and I think cover a very important and very needful areas which explains the interrelationship of the society with the educational system. For example, the relationship of the teacher and the students, and then like sociology of education defines the role of teacher in a society, that teacher also enable him or herself to play as a teacher very perfectly and effectively in the society. It helps us to understand the relation between the teacher and the taught. It also studies the effect of social life upon the school and the members of the society. As we have already discussed in our previous slides, that there is interrelationship between the educational system and the society. So what is the place of a teacher in the society, their mutual relationships, what are the mutual relationships of the teacher and the students with the unit of the society. We have to understand the social problems, needs, aspirations, what are the effects of social life upon the individuals and the school, even the progress of democratic feelings in the school. All these areas are covered by the sociology of education. It also studies the effect of the economy also upon the type of the education provided to the students. So this sociology of education has played a very important role in the society. I hope you all will be able to understand and recall this concept. So thank you all, my dear students, and all the viewers and listeners. Thank you so much.